Part 1. The I Revolution begins 5 minutes. Visual 1. Opening montage. Clips of old computers, early internet footage, then fast cutscenes of ChatGoat, Midjourney, autonomous cars, robots. Narration. We are living through one of the most important transformations in human history, the rise of artificial intelligence. In just a few years, AI has moved from science fiction to the center of how we live, work, and create. Visual 2. Interview-style footage. Creators using AI, officers automating tasks, artists generating visuals. From powerful language models writing code to image generators creating art, AI is reshaping every industry faster than any technology before it. Visual 3. Tone shift. Some call it the fourth industrial revolution, others a new renaissance, but one thing is certain: AI is no longer a tool, it's a collaborator. Part 2. AI and the future of work. 10 minutes. Visual 1. Modern office plus factories. Work has always evolved with technology from steam engines to smartphones. Now AI is the next leap. Narration. AI automates repetitive tasks, analyzes massive data, and even assists in decision-making. Companies use it to hire smarter, design faster, and predict markets. Scene example. At IBM, I predict maintenance before machines fail. In healthcare, I read X-rays with near-human accuracy. Freelancers use tools like Notion AI and ChatGoat to speed up writing, research, and client communication. Cut concern. But every leap forward raises the same question: what happens to jobs? Experts believe AI will replace some roles, but create even more roles focused on creativity, strategy, and empathy. Visual positive note. AI isn't replacing humans, it's replacing tasks. The future belongs to those who learn how to use it. Part 3. AI and human creativity. 10-12 mean. Visual 1. Artists, musicians, filmmakers using AI. For decades, we thought creativity was uniquely human, but AI is challenging that belief. Narration. Tools like Midjourney, Runway ML, and Pika Labs let anyone generate visuals, animations, or videos from imagination. Musicians use Udio AI to compose songs. Filmmakers create entire storyboards with a single prompt. Scene example montage. Show examples of AI-generated art alongside human work. Critics worry this could devalue original art, but others see AI as a new brush, not the painter. Transition. True creativity lies in direction and intention. AI provides infinite possibilities, humans provide meaning. Part 4. The new AI economy. How money is changing. 10-12 mean. Visual 1. Entrepreneurs and freelancers at laptops. A new economy is emerging: the AI economy. Narration. People are building entire businesses powered by AI. Startups automate customer service with chatbots, solopreneurs create content with AI editors, and developers launch SaaS tools without writing a single line of code. Example. Freelancers now offer prompt engineering services. Marketers use AI to analyze audiences. Even small creators earn passive income by selling AI-generated assets, from stock photos to ebooks. Cut big picture. AI lowers the barrier to entry for entrepreneurship. You no longer need a team, you need ideas and the right tools. Visual currency plus graphs. As AI handles the routine, human value shifts toward creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. The smartest earners in the future won't work harder, they'll work smarter with AI. Part 5. Challenges, ethics, and the future. 6 minutes. Visual 1. Serious tone, darker color grading. But with great power comes great responsibility. Narration. Bias in data, privacy issues, job displacement, these are real challenges. Governments race to regulate AI, companies debate ethics, educators rethink what it means to learn. Visual 2. Positive transition. Yet, history shows every major technology has faced fear before acceptance. When used wisely, AI could become humanity's greatest collaborator. Scene future vision. Imagine an era where AI handles the routine so humans can focus on invention, empathy, and art. Where doctors, teachers, and creators all have AI copilots. Closing call to action. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's humans with AI. Those who learn to harness it will shape the next chapter of our world. Outro AI Hustle Lab. Branding. 1 minute. Narration. You've been watching AI Hustle Lab, where we explore how AI empowers creativity, productivity, and income. Subscribe for more deep dives, tools, and smart ways to build your future with AI. Visuals. Your logo animation. Call to action. Overlay upbeat outro music.